Did you know that you can double your YouTube income just by targeting a European audience instead of Asia? If you make videos in languages like German or Spanish, your CPM rates can reach as high as $38 per $1,000 views. In this video, I'll introduce you to an amazing AI tool that makes the entire process simple. This tool can translate your videos into 179 languages and also helps you create eye-catching promotional videos for your business or Amazon affiliate marketing with just a few clicks. I'll guide you step by step on how to use it. So keep watching to learn how this tool can boost your income and make video creation easier than ever. Alright, to get started, simply click the link in the description and head over to the Vmeg Pro website. Once you're there, you can log in using your email, Google account, or Discord. I'm using Google to log in. After logging in, you'll get 180 free credits to get started. Now, go to the All Products tab and select Video Translation. In here, all you need to do is drag and drop the video you want to translate from your computer. If you're using the Pro version, you can upload videos up to 200 MB. After video is uploaded, we'll need to fill few details. First, for the original language section, the tool will automatically detect the language of your video. In my case, it's set to English. For the target language, I'm choosing Spanish, but there are 179 languages you can choose from. Now, let's move on to the number of speakers. If your video has more than one person speaking, you can select the number of speakers, up to 10. This helps the AI assign a unique voice to each speaker, which is a really cool feature. Next, it's time to choose the voice. You've got three options: Smart Match, Clone from Original Video, and Manually Select. You can pick a voice from Vmeg's huge library of over 7,000 voices. You can filter through and pick any voice you like, or you can even clone your own voice. For this video, I'm going with the clone option from the original video, as it gives the most accurate result. After choosing your voice, you need to select your subtitle style. I'm picking this one here, but feel free to pick whatever style works best for your video. And don't forget to enable the lip sync feature, which makes sure that the translated voiceover perfectly matches the video's movements. Lastly, if you want, you can choose to either keep or remove the original background sounds from the video. Before we hit render, let's make sure everything looks perfect by using the proofread feature. This will allow you to double-check the translation and make any changes if something seems off. The best part is, you won't lose any credits for re-rendering. Just click proofread, and you'll be able to compare the original script with the translated one. If anything needs fixing, simply edit the text and hit auto-translate to update it. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click render. In just a few minutes, your video will be ready for download.
¿Te lavaste las manos? ¿Con jabón? ¿Lo secaste?
¿Qué es esto? ¿Todas las verduras? ¿Quién quería todas las verduras?
See how quick and easy that was? If you decide to upgrade to the Pro version, you'll unlock even more features, such as the ability to translate longer videos and access even more voice options. Alright, now you know how to translate your videos and increase your YouTube earnings by targeting high CPM countries. Next, let's explore the Vmeg Clips to Videos feature. This tool is perfect for making eye-catching videos, especially if you're promoting a product or working with Amazon affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. First, collect your product images. Once you have them, upload the images to the tool. Then, you'll see a box where you can describe what your product video is about. For narration, you can let the AI create a script for you, or you can write your own using the custom script option. If you choose to write your own script, the final video will reflect your exact wording and style. For this demo, I'll go with the AI-generated script. It's quick and easy. Next, I'll add a few product features as the description for the video. This is a great way to show what makes the product special and why it's valuable. Now let's move on to the video settings. I'll choose a 9:16 aspect ratio since this format works great for platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok. For the resolution, I'll pick 720p, but you can choose whatever suits your project best. Next, I'll select English as the language for the narration. After that, I'll pick a voice for the video narration. There's a big library of options, so you can find one that matches your project perfectly. Once that's set, I'll add some background music to create the right mood. This step is optional. If you prefer just narration, you can skip it. Finally, I'll add subtitles to make the video more engaging and help keep viewers focused. When everything's ready, click Generate. In just a few minutes, the AI will create 4 different video options for you.
Hey, check this out. Just got this mini claw machine, and it comes packed with cool stuff like LED lights and adjustable sound. Unboxing it is like getting a surprise. Get ready for some serious fun with our mini claw machine toy. It comes alive with vibrant LED lights and lets you set the vibe with a
And just like that, you'll have a polished, professional-looking video. With this tool, you can easily create promotional product videos that help marketers and boost e-commerce sales. Now, let's check out another useful feature, the non-vocal video tool. This one is super easy to use. First, upload your media. Next, all you need to do is choose the aspect ratio and select some background music. Then hit generate, and the AI will turn your media into a sleek slideshow video in minutes. Let's check out the results. The tool rotates images or videos like PowerPoint slides and matches them with the rhythm of the background music. If you're interested in using this tool, upgrading to the Pro plan gives you access to tons of extra features for only $12 per month. The free plan offers 180 credits per month, but it adds a watermark to your videos and limits access to some advanced features. If you're serious about creating high-quality content, the Pro plan is definitely worth it. I've added a link in the description so you can check it out. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.